Hey, how's it going? It's Johnny Strange. I'm 19 years old. I'm an action sports athlete. I'm here in Drill in Malibu, California. This is the 2011 Landyachtz Switchblade. 100% symmetrical, made out of 100% maple wood. Great board, got the Grizzly 840s on it. The trucks don't come out till next month as well. But hands down, this board has blown anything I've ever ridden out of the water. The design's really sick too.
Pretty high performance piece of equipment here, ladies and gentlemen. This thing will get you in trouble if you don't know what you're doing. Look at these fresh new wheels, man. Never seen the asphalt before. Look at this, all brand new gear, bitchin' graphics, man. But you know, it ain't a fashion show, dude. We don't see this when we're going fast. Looks pretty neat, Johnny. Land yachts. That's what gets them down the mountain, is land yacht. Get a land yacht for yourself, dude. Go charge a hill at full speed. Don't wear your pads or your helmet, man. Fucking cares, dude. It's all a dream, man. It's all a dream.